The Kinesis keyboard programming is a powerful but confusing function and usage of this powerful keyboard, and the content of this programming is just ROM and macro definition, which are both simple statement of keys combination. The first thing you would be warned by the official document, which is just avoiding corrupt the flash memory of the Kinesis keyboard. That is necessary, but also create some misleading. The first step to program the keyboard. Type Program plus Shift plus Escape to enter the PUM mode. This is a trick. You can escape this mode by type this combination again. When you are entering the PUM mode, the number 1 LED will flash 4 times, and when you are triggering off this mode, the number 1 LED will flash only 2 times. Under the PUM mode, type Program plus F1 to expose the keyboard flash memory to your system, which is also a trick. Then mount it on your file system. Don't change anything there the first time you mount it, since the dealable files must be generated by official keyboard command in the next step. So this step is just showing you something you required in the next step. Then unmount the point you had mounted just now. Then type Program plus F1 again to trigger off the flash memory to your system. This is very important to protect your keyboard from corruption. The next step, type combination Program plus F2. Then the number 1 LED will flash quickly and continuously. During the flashing, type any one and only one alphanumeric key to define the name of your own keyboard layout. Meanwhile, there will generate a text file in the active directory in root of the keyboard flash. You can and you have to define your ROM and macros for this layout, and which is the only thing you can do. To activate this new layout, type Program plus the key you selected just now. Of course, the primary keyboard layout of that is just copied from the layout when you type Program plus F2. For instance, it's the QWERT if it's QWERT layout when you type Program plus F. The next step. You can edit the generated text file to get what you want. In practice, the macro is the main program to create. Here is an example where you can perform whole by just type key pause. Save and exit and then unmount the flash, and finally type Program F1 to trigger off the flash editing entirely. Only by triggering off the edited file makes sense. To test your keyboard programming, type Program plus the key you defined just now, and then type pause when your point was in an opening text editor. Then hold print. Please notice again, not copy or move any file into your flash memory. It may cause risks and corrupt your flash of your keyboard. In the end, note that the key combination to activate any customized layout like defined just now, which is the same as activating the official ones, such as the QWERT. The only difference from the customized ones are just they are restricted to use the alphanumeric keys.